Man. What a bummer. Oh man. Highest viewership we've ever had on this channel. See if the music works now at least. Dude, I'm gonna freak out at this pretzel player. It'll let me play music, but it will not show up. Like the player, I can't see it. So I can't adjust it. That's so trolly. We're just setting this up again, guys. Sorry. I don't know what happened. Now the connection's fine. Now we're doing good. Christopher Adela. Ripping off the first subscriber. First in on the new stream. Thank you, brother. Now I gotta set this music up in a weird way again. This is so trolly. Man. Good times though, man. Good times. That video, that stream today was our highest viewed stream I think ever. Insert funny name. Is it hidden? Is it auto hidden? It is like it is doing that, yes. But there's no option to auto hide it. And it, like, I don't have any ability to like drag it or manipulate it. It's just like the program starts running, it starts playing music, and it's on the taskbar. But clicking the taskbar, clicking the icon, doesn't make it pop up. Like, it doesn't have a window anywhere. I have 3 monitors, and if I alt tab to it, it doesn't show up. Doesn't show up on any of the monitors. I don't have an ability to like manipulate it. I don't know what's going on with it. I might have to reinstall it. It's okay. I can still play it from the web, which is fine. It's like, still has all my saved songs and stuff and preferences, but just annoying. And it's like not something I want to deal with while I'm streaming. We're back. We're back. Let's see if we can retrace our viewership back to that 400-500 level before the freaking stream. Dude, what a block of my genitalia that crash was. Genitalia blocking. Here's the good news though. The crash was quick. We're back up. We're not having issues with search. And we didn't miss any of the action. So I'm going to look on the bright sides here today. Checking in on them bright sides. Oh yeah, so we desperately need to hit those likes up, get those likes back up on the stream. Gotta get them likes back up. We had 400, I think we almost had 500 on the last stream. I've already streamed for 6 hours today. Today I just learned that right now. We've streamed 6 hours. What? Time flies, man, when you're having fun. We had 471 likes. That's the most ever. Easy. With almost 7,000 views, that's the most views ever. Peak viewers 500, that's the most ever. We broke it. Wow, we broke every single metric for this channel in that episode. Every single metric. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool if you ask me. Alright, our connection now seems fine. Totally fine. Thanks, YouTube. Nah, it wasn't YouTube. It was on my end. Somehow. Somehow it was on my end. Think of a fish found. Think of a fish. My man. Brother, patron. He found it. He is correct. This was actually a patron post. But why not show you guys? It's in the past anyway at this point. November 2nd. Another Tom Crown exclusive Edge. Huge. That was the most clickbaitish title I think I've ever done for the patrons. And this was for the patrons, so yeah, the wording isn't quite usually how I speak is written. As always, we're pushing ahead to offer you guys a cutting edge and technical analysis. Because of this, we've been able to provide you with technical edges before any other TA has discovered them. They eventually catch on, smiley face. Here's the next and one of the most exciting discoveries I've made to date. I was thinking about Bitcoin price and its relationship with market cap, a simple interaction on paper, but due to the Bitcoin distribution, there's a nuance that many may not consider. Every day now was 1,800, now 900 Bitcoin are mined every day. New Bitcoin minted fresh. In order for Bitcoin to remain the exact same price every day, and current price was 3,500 at that time. Calling it 3,500. That equaled $12.1 million of market cap has to be added daily. And that was at 13.5. Now it's much more. Has to be added daily. That means if no additional value is added to Bitcoin, it actually loses value simply to dilution of the supply. The October close was not the highest close in price. However, it is without a doubt the highest monthly close in Bitcoin market cap that has ever occurred. I see this as an extremely bullish edge. As I commonly state, market cap is much more important than dollar value / price. In my opinion, this is equally important, if not more important, than closing the monthly as the highest dollar value ever. No one except for us is looking at this yet. November 2nd, dated, stamped. Boom. Thank you, Fish, for finding that. That was fun to read. If you're just joining or you're watching this in the future, you're probably thinking, well, what the heck did he just read? What is he talking about? We're talking about how on this channel we strive daily to look at what no one's looking at, to find the edges no one's finding. And so earlier in the stream that just crashed, we looked at this tweet from Pomp, great guy, respect Pomp, etc., etc. But just as that patron post said, November 17th, so 15 days before Pomp posts about this, we were watching it. We were finding these edges. He's talking about it being an all-time high now. But look at his post, new post, Bitcoin market cap is a better reference than price. Brush it off. Brush the shoulders off. You're right, Pomp. You're just 2 weeks behind our channel, bruh. That's awesome. I agree with that statement. That's just, if you're tuning in from the future or weren't here earlier, letting you in on why I just read that. Time and time again. Time and time again, guys. This is what happens. We've been seeing it happen regularly since the start of September. We are always on the cutting edge, and everyone else is always catching up. And no, I'm not claiming people copy us or like, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is everyone sees the same chart, right? We all have the same data. So when we find something and then someone else finds something, they're not copying us. I mean, there's a possibility they're copying us, but that's not what I'm claiming. What I'm saying is they see the same chart as we do. We just find these things first. Inevitably, everyone else finds them because they become more obvious as time goes on. And I'm saying what the value or what our channel does is we find this first, man. We do. There are countless examples since the start of September, certainly even way before September, but since the start of September, we've really been kind of keeping track of them better. And it's just great. Shout out to Think of a Fish. He pointed that out earlier. He sent me, or sent us the Pomp post, and then I shouted everybody out and said, I asked if anybody could find when we found this edge, and he found it November 2nd. Think of a Fish went and did the legwork and checked. So yeah, pretty proud of that. It's just one of many. One of many. I love that his title, I love that, this is actually what I really love, is that Pomp is you know what? Screw that. It's not. I don't care. It's not about bragging. Just I'm trying to like show you guys what our value is. We're a new channel. We're a small channel. You know what I mean? We're not big. So we have to define ourselves. This isn't it. We have to define ourselves. What do we offer? Why watch us? We only have 15,000 followers. Why would you watch us? And that's why I'm driving these home. Dude, I have no ego. I don't care. I don't have any ego in this. Where's the Bitcoin total one I had? I don't know where this went. Yeah, it's not about ego. Oh, well, here we go. Here's another thing. So we're looking for a higher high. We're trying to watch the high here on Bitcoin dominance. See if we're going to have a bearish divergence here. Looks like we're in the setup where we're getting a higher high. Before it was arguably kind of double topish. Now this is clearly a higher high. However, RSI locally is avoiding the bearish divergence on the high. Locally. But if we look back to the 5th, this is going to have to do a lot more work. This is going to have to push up a lot higher. It needs to crank that RSI up to avoid bearish divergence. However, the MACD here, not only giving bullish divergence on the swing low, but also looking to flip positive. We could be getting that rally in BTCD again. Our target in the early of September was 66 at the most. It's overshooting. Reminds me of Bitcoin. Our target was 17.2. Looks like it's overshooting. It's overshot quite a bit. 16.8. 16.9. Might as well just call it 18,000. I'm trying to find this total chart. It's not total market cap, it's Bitcoin market cap. The nuance of it is what I really like about the post. Here we go, I found it. There we go, I found it. So this was the post. We looked at October, we saw October's close. This is total market cap of just Bitcoin, okay? Not the total market cap crypto that you're used to seeing, this is just Bitcoin. The post on the 2nd was pointing out that October closed the monthly candle higher than ever before in Bitcoin's history of Bitcoin market cap. Now today in November, you're at 328 billion. The all-time high at 20K. At 20K, Bitcoin was trading at $20,000. Its total market cap was 334 billion. What this says to me right now is that Bitcoin, at its peak in 2017 of price, its peak of frenzy and of euphoria, of noticeability, visibility, frenzy is really the word. At the peak of that, right now, the value of the market is essentially equal. It's equal. It's the same. Yes, 6 billion. That's a lot of money, right? It is, but not when you're comparing 334 billion to 328 billion. Very small difference. Essentially equal. Right now, today, right now, in this moment, Bitcoin's total value is equal to the peak of it ever being. Equal to the highest it's ever been. Years later, after selling off down to, at one point, in between, down to 54 billion. It's back up to that 330 billion area. Traded down to 5 billion or 50 billion, back up to 330. That is just mind-blowing, guys. This is mind-blowing. We look at MACD. MACD says, dude, you're just ripping through highs. Keep going. RSI, same thing. It says your highs are good. Extremely exciting chart. If you guys have never looked at this, crypto cap :BTC on TradingView. Worth a look. Bitcoin market cap. As we said in the post, as I say about everything, market cap is either equally as important or more important, and I usually say more important than price. I tell people all the time, look at price, or look at market cap, don't look at price. Price is going to deceive you. Market cap will never deceive you. The Sec Master, what's up, brother? What's up, man? Thanks for subscribing. Crypto Junkie, welcome, bro. This is our second stream. We had 400 or 500 people here, and everything crashed. I also spilled my energy drink all over my keyboard, so that's currently hanging up in the bathroom, dripping. I have a bunch of keyboards. I'm using the Classic now. This is actually my favorite keyboard ever. It might look familiar. This is the 20-year-old plus, maybe, Dell keyboard stock. Came with computers a long time ago. One of my favorite keyboards of all time. Not mechanical, not fancy. Just nothing can break it. It's indestructible. A keyboard, that's not gonna bring me down today. No, no, no. Too much good going on. In efforts, you can now fundraise, including relief by adding a donate button to your videos and streams. What? Get started. I can add a charity contribution thing? What? This search register nonprofit. Is there anything Bitcoin related? Nothing Bitcoin related. Crypto related? Nothing crypto related. Alright, well, I'm not going to be messing with that. That sounds like a great way to get myself in legal trouble. Won't be using that until I'm very clear on how that works. Cool, though. I might be able to add a button to the stream that gives people the option to donate directly to charity instead of to me or something. I'm cool with that. Especially if we could find some kind of crypto thing. That'd be nice.
So am I.
Is Tom watching this? 20% drop, not 2% drop. What would I be watching? What's up, Demetrius? Though it's good to see you, buddy. Flash crash alert. Oh, you and Renee are yelling about it. I mean, I love you both. I love you both. You're both awesome. I want you both here. And I'm not saying a flash crash is impossible. Not saying any, I'm not even disagreeing. All I'm going to say is you guys have both been saying similar things to that at many of the price levels I remember. It's not a criticism. Not saying you're wrong now. I've heard it before from you guys. Heard it before from you guys. Yeah, maybe you're right. I don't know. I don't know, man. I didn't expect it to go past 17.2. What would 20% down be? That would be perfectly on our target, so okay. I'll take it. Literally a flash crash 20% would bring us exactly back on the projection that we have. So I don't know, man. I still don't think that's what's gonna happen right now. But if it did, it would actually get us back in the line of our projection. So maybe I should be. Doesn't matter what I want. I don't get to decide what Bitcoin does. Unfortunately. Mad Dog, exactly. Exactly, but we all have that. I mean, we all are guilty of that at times. We are. We are. And in my sense, I'll take it. I'll own it. I'm perma bull, man. I always think it's gonna go up long term. And so by definition, as long as it goes up, eventually I'm right. But I'm also not right in the times it's not, etc. That's why I've learned to just throw away. I acknowledge I am a perma bull in crypto, but I throw it away when I look at TA. I don't care. I don't try to TA. I don't try to find what I want. I just look at what's there. And what's there right now is monstrous. That's funny though, the 20% that you gave, that brings us exactly to the support test on our projection that we were looking to see from 17.2. We hit 17.8. So I don't know, either way, man. And I'm cool with it either way. If we see a flash crash 20%, then my projection is still on and it hits. If we keep going up here, then projection is getting less and less accurate. If it gets to 20K, then I'll say the projection is off. It was wrong, but you know what? It gave us the right direction. That's all that matters. Told us we were going up. Yep, coin stand, dude. I'm feeling you there, dude. I'm feeling you there. And you know this, like coin stand, love you. You're awesome. You've been here a long time. You're a fan member. But coin stand and I do not always agree. We don't, right? We don't always agree. That's okay. But we're agreeing right here. You've been saying it throughout this episode. I've been thinking it. I've been saying it the last few weeks. We're seeing the price move up and we're seeing the fear move up with it. The higher we go, the bigger the crash correction percents we're hearing from people, the more fear that we're seeing come out. It's that sentiment divergence, man. I need to get that copyrighted. I need to get sentiment divergence copyrighted. If anyone says that they owe me $1 million. What's up, Tanner? Tanner A, how you doing, dog? Send that coin to the Milky Way. Oh yeah. Like I said, dude. I mean, everything's possible. We haven't pulled back. We haven't pulled back in forever. I guess what I'm really getting at is anyone right now is calling for like flash crash, calling for these big corrections. You may be right. We haven't had one. But be honest, were you also saying that at 6,800? Yeah, were you also saying that at 7,000? Were you also saying that at 6,800? Were you also saying that at 6,500? Were you also saying that at 16,000? You know what I mean? Like, be honest, and I don't know if you're going to be honest with me, but be honest with yourself, were you? Because if you were, I understand. But then if it happens now, you can't really validate yourself and be like, I knew it. It's like, but you said that every step of the way. I see that a lot. I'm not calling anybody out. I'm just saying be honest with yourself. And the only reason that you should be honest with yourself is because you need that as a trader. You have to be able to acknowledge, like, I'm trying to satisfy what I want from the chart. And the chart will give it to you. It will. The chart will give it to you. If you're bullish, the chart will show you something bullish. If you're bearish, the chart will show you something bearish. You have to be able to look at the chart with no intent. With intent only to see what is there and to recognize what is there. And that's what I do. That's what I do live here every day. And it's pretty darn consistent. I'm definitely not always right. Definitely. I'm wrong a lot. But I'm pretty darn consistent, pretty good. And it's just because I go and look for what's there. I don't look for what I want or what I hope. There's nothing bearish about it yet. Nope. If you look at the 4-hour and the 12-hour, there's some bearish divergence. That bearish divergence has been here, been painting really the whole time we've been rallying in this local rally. If you zoom out, longer time frames, get to the weekly, the monthly, they don't have it. They've already invalidated it. So even if the shorter time frames play out and that divergence plays out, those longer time frames are going to catch it at some point. OTAs on YouTube had 7.8. What? We had 7.2. We've had 7.2 for like a month. I'm sure people started grabbing 17s, you know, here in the last week, here in the last few days. I'm sure everybody did. But we've been calling for 17.2 for a long time. And so I'm just gonna stick with it. That was our end of the year target though. I wonder what the price was when we first started calling for 17.2. I think it was like 13.5, 13.6. I think 13.8 had broken and then pulled back. I remember. A long time in crypto TA. Meaning a few weeks maybe. I don't know. It looks like people are rejoining us. We had 5-ish hundred and then we crashed. Though I realize now I streamed for like 6 hours already today plus this stream. Didn't even notice. We're back up to threes, the 300s. Nice. Welcome back everybody. Please make sure you hit the like button on the new stream. We had almost 500 likes on the last video and we were dominating the search. Guys, we're kicking A, taking names. It was awesome. Let's see if we can get that number back up. I'm gonna link the Discord in the chat again because I have to pin this message. It's a weird pin message thing it lets me do now. Ta-da! Chat divergence. Yeah, CoinStant. I've never said that, but I've recognized chat divergence. Throughout the years, it is real. I've never said that, though. You can coin that one. We're back. Crow. Oh my god, Crow. Oh, that coin. The Crow coin. I am so glad I got the card because the card is off. Like, the card is cool. I literally got it because it's cool. I got total honesty, total. Not gonna hide it, not gonna pretend any other reason. Had nice cash back, but the card itself is cool, so I got one. And I was gonna get the next level up. That was like, so it's like, I think it was like $100 at the time, and the next level I did get $1,000 of Crow. And I was like set on getting that one. And at the last second, I bought more Litecoin instead. And then I was like, I've already done too much conversion. I already got too much Litecoin. I'm not gonna get the $1,000 Crow. So I ended up getting only the $100 one. And then Crow has done nothing but just bleed since, and I'm so glad. So, well, I'm not so glad Crow's going down, but I'm so glad I decided to get the like low level card. Dude, and I haven't even used it. Legit, guys, legit. I haven't even used it. I got the card, I activated it. Haven't used it. I legit have it just because it looks cool and it feels cool. And I just have it so it's in my wallet. Like, so to be like the top card. Because I have like a clip a clip wallet, and now it is like the top card of my clip wallet. I realize I'm a guy who sits up here, talks all day about financial stuff, and I love budgeting. I'm always talking about budgeting and using your money correctly. Sleepy Charlie, Discord's free, bruh. The Discord's free. You just click the link and join. The Patreon link's underneath. You might have accidentally clicked that. And I realize how silly it is for me to essentially have paid $100 to get this card I don't use, but I don't care. I just don't care. It's so cool. It's made of like steel. It's really heavy. It feels great. I have an Amazon Prime card, and that one's also like aluminum metal. But if you touch them both at the same time, it makes the Amazon Prime card feel like it's made of plastic. You're like, ew, what is this? What is this card, dude? It's awesome. I haven't used mine. I don't really understand. I thought it was a credit card. Apparently not. Apparently it's debit. And what I'm considering is maybe... That 618's at a nice spot. What I'm considering is maybe if we're in a bull run and we're not coming back to these levels. If that's the case, then maybe that's what I think I can load my USDT on it, right? Maybe like my stable coins. Maybe that's how I'll just burn them. I don't know. Through that, I don't know. I don't really care. I just like having the card. It looks so cute. And then when people are like, because people think it looks cool. People like it. People are impressed by it because it's heavy. I don't know why people are impressed by it, but I'm impressed by it. I don't know why. And then people are like, "Ooh, where's this from?" And you're just like, it's a cryptocurrency thing. You wouldn't really get it. That's how you get them asking questions. So it's part of my adoption, part of my helping hand to adoption. No, I didn't get the big boy card. I got the like $100. It's the red one, right? The red one, Ruby. I was gonna get a bigger boy card. And then instead I bought a bunch of Litecoin. And then I was like, oh, I don't want to give up any more of my Bitcoin. So I didn't get the rest of the crow. Long story short. LTC is doing good, yeah. Very good. This was also like weeks ago. This was not recently. So far, this is barely even a retrace. It's like maybe a retrace at all if we look at it. Yeah, like maybe here. I'll take it from this swing low. Maybe it's like a 0.5 from here though. 618 from there, okay. Get rid of that one. Come on, Trading View. I'll have time for your crap. There we go. Hyperwave just starting. The hyperwave to the moon. The moon hyperwave. think you can. I don't know how the card works. I'm pretty sure you can just deposit crypto, and because I can't hook my bank up to it. I don't know how it works. But I have a bunch of stablecoin, and I know they have stablecoin wallets, so I imagine that's how I can spend it directly? Question mark. I don't know. I'm not endorsing it. I haven't used it. I just like the way it looks. Yeah, dude, it would be cool. That's kind of what I thought it was. I figured it was a credit card. I figured that's how they made their money. Like, credit cards are extremely profitable. I don't know why they haven't, like, why didn't they do that? That would make sense. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't. I did get some. I mean, it just wasn't like $100. Hyperwave. Yeah, I know hyperwave means 0, but now I've been doing that. I've been saying lately that the hyperwavers of 2018, the hyperwavers, I've been saying that they were right. They just got it in the wrong direction. That's been like my joke in the last few months. They just got it backwards. Week on Ethereum. 1 week looking okay. 1 day looking okay. Ethereum just looks odd to me. It's been sketching me out lately. It's really in the same position it's been in this entire time. It put in a high. This is cracking, so the high's a little different. What is essentially 488, but let's just call it 500 because 500 is likely to be some kind of psychological, profit-taking resistance, even though it's not a real resistance. But if you get past that, there's nothing on Ethereum. Ethereum has no freaking resistance, man. Like, you have that local 488. And you have 500 just as because it's a dick. 500 is just a dick number. It's just people are gonna sell there because it's clean. Anyway. But if you get past that, you have nothing. And you just rock it. You should rock it up to like 7, 5, 8. You break through that, you have 1100, and that's it. There's really very little resistance. It's just struggling to get over this local. This local area just hasn't, it really hasn't shown much oomph since it got sold off there. And why am I getting so many messages while I'm streaming? I imagine people realize that I can't really respond to messages while I'm streaming. Maybe not. Click C2K, probably. What it really is, dude, is it's the same people who have been waiting to buy back since March. They saw March happen or not. They may have joined after March, but they saw March happen, let's say. They sold because they got scared. They thought it was going to go lower. They didn't buy back in. It's the same people that have watched it crawl up piece by piece since March. Every step of the way, they've been saying, I'm waiting for lower. I'm going to get back in lower. This is too high. There's going to be a pullback. Pullback didn't come. Moved up to the next level. They were waiting for lower. The pullback didn't come. Now we're here. Now we're at 10% under the all-time high. And now it's a spooky spot to buy in. This is a really risky spot, dude. There, if you like buying in now, there's only one other time really at all that's ever traded at this level, and it's historically was one of the worst entries at the time. At the time, obviously. So yeah, this is a very spooky level to buy in, but it's the same people who the whole way up since March have been waiting for lower. Those are the people who are fudding. I mean, those are the people who are calling for lower. Of course. There's nothing wrong with saying there should be a correction or pull, you know, test of support, whatever. That's just what we see in Bitcoin. We haven't gotten one. We really haven't gotten one. But it's those people. They've been waiting for lower, gonna keep waiting for lower. There's nothing wrong with being bearish. There's nothing wrong with selling. Nothing wrong with it. I just can't push that. I can't push it enough. No matter what you do, no matter what you do in this space, take some, doesn't matter how much, take some of your Bitcoin, take it off exchange, take all of it off exchange. But if you can't do that because you're addicted to whatever, take at least some of it off, put it in your wallet, lock it away, and just mentally tell yourself, I'm never going to move that. That number is going to be different for everyone. If you can take a whole Bitcoin, lock it away from yourself and say, I'm never going to touch it, that's amazing. That'd be great. But even if it's only 0.01, it doesn't matter what it is. Whatever number it is, doesn't matter. Lock something away from yourself. That way, if you become this perma-bear person or this person who's trading in and out all the time, your whole stack, no matter what, you have something that's hedging against all of Bitcoin's history of these extreme explosive growths. The only way to lose that is just by having none. Just don't ever put yourself in that position. Put a little bit, lock it away. 90% of my crypto sits in storage. I keep less than 10% on exchange, and I spread it out on exchanges. You don't keep all of your stuff on exchange. Do not do it, especially your Bitcoin. Sometimes I keep a lot of my S coins on exchange because I don't feel like setting up wallets for a lot of them. But if you do that, if you do what I just said, 10 years from now, no matter how bad you F up in between, you're good. You have some Bitcoin. You have more than is likely feasibly possible to get at that time for the average person. Orange sunshine, exactly, bro. Orange sunshine 47 making me giggle. How am I supposed to get wrecked? How am I supposed to get wrecked? Well, I don't know. Dude, do not trust insured. There's no such thing. There is no such thing as finite. Well, let's just refer to make our language specific. There is no such thing as insured Bitcoin. No. Nor will there ever be. You could be insured in the dollar value and the fiat value of it, but no, there is no way to cover literal coin, finite supply coin. There's no. Like Mt. Gox, that's going to settle in USD, almost certainly. And you know what? Mt. Gox still hasn't settled all these years later. All these years later, not settled. Price was at like, I don't even remember now. Let's just say nowhere near now. When it settles, they're not going to settle at today's price. Do not feel comforted by insurance. You must have a healthy fear of exchange. This is very important in crypto. Healthy fear. Healthy skepticism, healthy fear of exchanges. Absolutely. I just can't get myself away. There's just such a spicy day. Nice, we got about 400 back. Dude, this has been a ridiculous day. We set the most views for a video. The most amount of concurrent viewers at one time for a video. And it might have been the longest stream. Might have been. All in the same day. How long was that one? We would still be in that live had it not crashed. 6 hours. That's probably why it crashed. 6 hours plus however long this one's been up. I don't even know, man. We're live every day, guys. Every day. Usually we're really drilling into the TA. We're, going ham. You can look at our old videos, our old episodes, man. We go ham. We find the secrets, the hidden secrets, and we share them. But let's see, how many hours am I on now? About 7, 8, if you count in between. Yeah, 8 hours of streaming. So a little lower energy. Domino for show, bro. I'm just hanging out at work with you, my friends. Me and you just working. Just being bros, talking about the corn, rambling. Mr. Stunts. What's up, Mr. Stunts? Straight up ham. Welcome to Crown Town. Who's disliking it? Who cares, man? Haters make us. Dislikes actually just help with stream's visibility anyway. Fun fact. Orange Sunshine 47. I promise you, people hold millions on exchanges. I know that. I know they do. It's not as big of a risk as people assume. I disagree. And then I disagree with that. And then you say, I agree. Not your keys, not your crypto. I agree with that. And that's why. Not your keys, not your crypto, man. It does not matter. Just look at the example we have in history, Mt. Gox. That is why. That is why I encourage everyone to have a healthy fear of exchanges. It's a risk. It's a risk. You can calculate what risk you think that is, and it's going to be different from the way I calculate it. The problem I have is when most viewers don't calculate it at all. They don't see it as a risk, and it is. It absolutely is. It has a cost. It is a risk. We had our first patron sign up last night for a yearly subscription. Mind-blowing. Amazing. We just started, patron just allowed us to start offering that, and someone signed up. We've had like, I don't know, 15, 20 people join this month alone. Amazing. This month has been amazing. My favorite month of crypto in years. Comparable to, no, better than than July, August 2019. Better. Been amazing. Sunshine, maybe, I don't know. I know there's a lot of new people here, and a lot of the old, the OGs. So Discord is free. Make sure you're in Discord. Discord's a free program, it's just like an AOL chat room in the old days. Discord's free. There's a lot of educational stuff in there too. There's a lot of value in there, but it's free. It doesn't cost anything, and it's just the best way to keep up with the stream. Patron is our group, which is like the premium. I hate that premium word, but it's like it's what supports the stream and supports what we do, and it's like one-on-one time, and it's like the more personal touch. Put it that way. It's more focused on education, but like your education of you learning. More than just the stream, which is kind of just sharing knowledge, building community. So put it this way, it's like my college. It's my college, my course, if you will. $1 billion lost in Mt. Gox was returned to victims. They haven't settled yet. How would that? They delayed it. It was supposed to be some kind of something in October, and then they delayed it for a month, as they've done every time. And this settlement, like Mt. Gox is settling at what? Look at how much they're settling at. What value? That's my only point. My only point is the example we have is Mt. Gox. People who were hit by Mt. Gox are either A, still waiting to get anything, or they have settled for like, I don't know, it's like $700 per Bitcoin. Like, the whole point is maybe they got something, maybe they didn't, but look at how wrecked they got. That did not help them. They still got boned. No one like walked away feeling good. You know what I mean? No one walked away being like, man, that worked out really well for me. And that's why I warn people now. Don't trust exchanges. Don't trust them. You can use them, but you just want to limit your trust to as small as possible, as little as possible. Keep on there only what you can lose. Don't put anything on there that you're not willing to lose. That's how I feel. Mount wrecked, giggity. Is it coming, Demetrios? Is it coming? Your link is for Patreon, but there's also a link for the Discord there. I don't know how that pin message works. When you see that pin message, doesn't it say the Discord link first? Discord link works. I mean, that dude, Beergrin, if you're happy with how it turned out, man, dude, I'm happy for you. This isn't a reflection on anyone who is a victim of Mt. Gox. I'm just pushing out there. And if you were in fact involved with if you were impacted by it, you should agree with me not to trust exchanges more than anyone. Like, I know many people who are impacted. You should keep as much as you can in your wallet. Crypto is about being your own bank. Don't give up that power. That's like most of it. Your own bank, don't give it up. Put on exchange what you're willing to lose. What you're willing to trade. And keep the rest in storage. Be your own bank. Don't let someone else bank for you when that's the value of the space. I mean, all I'm saying. Not even like arguing with anybody. It's just like the point is important. You need to understand this. There is risk. Just because something is insured, what, you know, insurance on an exchange, this doesn't guarantee that, you know, that doesn't remove the risk. That's probably the best way to put it. I trust Coinbase for the most part. I trust Coinbase for the most part. But that doesn't mean there's no risk associated with holding assets there. There absolutely is. Yeah, fair, dude. Fair enough. Like Bear Grin, like my props go out to you, and like, I'm really happy that you have a decent experience. I haven't ever heard a good experience with it. I'm happy to hear that. It's risk, and back then the risk wasn't as well understood. You know, this channel is like a lot for new people in crypto. It's a lot for people learning about crypto. And so this information, I'm driving this home. I'm not even like arguing with you guys who are saying things. I'm just trying to drill this in for everyone else, for these new people, because a lot of people enter this space and don't understand that risk. They don't understand that it's a risk at all. They think, oh, Coinbase is safe. Coinbase is safe. Coinbase is insured in some way as well. But that doesn't mean there's no risk. There is risk. You do not want to keep all of your portfolio on Coinbase. You don't want to do it. It's not a good idea. You're adding on risk, even though it's the most safe, I would say. Yo, Ahmed, what's up, brother? It's been a long time. ENT, dude. Do I even eat, man? Do I even sleep? Do I do anything? Yeah, I mean, I guess PayPal is the most secure because they might not even, they don't even get keys, so maybe they don't even have any Bitcoin that could be stolen. Giggity. Coinstant. I was saying Coinbase out of exchanges. My whole point, I've been ranting about this for like 30 minutes now. That's my whole point, is put it in your own wallet. Don't keep it on exchange. Keep on exchange only what you're willing to lose. 12%, Trish, that's not, I mean, that's not bad. That's way better than most people. Too many people don't understand there's a risk. There is a risk. Any percent in your own wallet is good, but the bigger the percent, the better. So I'm glad to hear that, Trish. Robinhood, what about Robinhood? You can't withdraw from Robinhood. So Robinhood, I guess, is the most safe in that sense. I don't think Robinhood even has Bitcoin, so nobody's gonna steal it. Yeah. JSR Dan, boom, right there, perfect point. Even if it's 99% safe, it's still a risk. I can one up you. If it's 99% safe, that means you have a 1% risk of loss of whatever you have on there. That's a risk I'm unwilling to take. 1% is way too high. I disagree, Orange Sunshine. I disagree that the price of Bitcoin changes. If anything, I think the price of Bitcoin changing and going up makes it even more important. Volatility in cold storage will get you wrecked. Can't really get wrecked if your coins are just locked away. It is a double-sided sword. I feel you. The whole point. All I'm trying to do here is drive home. I don't want to argue about any of it. I'm driving this home for the newer or the uninformed people here. There is risk. There's a risk in exchanges. It doesn't matter which one. They all have a different level of risk. But there is risk. That's all I'm driving home. A lot of people here don't know that. So let's just encourage them to do that. Shiv, you can destroy your ledger. It doesn't matter. That doesn't lose your coins. How often do exchanges get hacked or have issues? I don't know. Many exchanges have gotten hacked this year. I mean, Qcoin most recent, probably. What the heck? I don't know what was just said, but what? I don't know what this person just said, but what happened? I'm just gonna go ahead and hide that person from the channel. Whoa. Whoa. Entrepreneur International. Hey Tom, I guess you are a newbie for Chainlink. I don't know what you're suggesting. But Rel, yeah, I mean there's multiple exchanges that have been hacked this year. Qcoin is the one I can think of right now. Multiple. Dude, Vesemir in ENT. What was that? What? Don't say anything in chat. Don't say anything in chat about it. Message me on Discord. What just happened? I've never seen that before, and so I'm just playing it safe. I'm just hiding that person. Sorry, friend. Wait, why did that message get to... That's really weird, dude. I'm so confused. You guys saw that though, right? I'll send you guys a message. I get... Maybe it was... You did. Yo, Fresco, brother. Vesemir, you saw what I'm talking about, right? No, you guys, no one else will have seen it. Something really weird happened. No one else except for me and the moderators will have been able to see any of it. Because it was hidden automatically. And I couldn't even see what it said. And it gave a very strange message. It wasn't what the person said. I don't know what they said. I wasn't able to see it as the owner of the channel. I wasn't able to view it, so that's weird. Never seen anything like that happen. Yeah. I don't know what they said. It said something that I couldn't even look at. I didn't get to see it, but it wasn't picked up by me. It wasn't picked up by any of us. That was really strange. I've just never seen it happen, man. I've been on YouTube years. I've never seen whatever just happened. Yo, Ja. What's up, brother Ja? In the airplane. Are we Batoshan? I hope not. I don't think we're Batoshan. No, we're not Batoshan. Dude, that was so weird. I've just never seen anything like that in my life. don't even know if rattled is a word. I'm just like processing it still. Anyway. Yeah, jaw. Yeah, something really, really weird like that. Something really, really weird. I don't know. I've never seen that message before. I've never heard about it. I'm curious too, man. I'm curious. I don't know. Someone said something and even me as the channel owner, I was not allowed to see it. I wasn't allowed to see it as the channel owner. And I'm just weirded out because of the message it gave me. That was weird. That was odd. I don't know. Yeah, Renee. Astronaut Renee. He's now in your computer. He's calling from inside the house. He's calling from inside. All right. Well, that makes me feel a little better. Makes me feel a little better, Joe. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I don't know. Just said like Google has deleted this, basically. Never seen that happen. Back to TA Trish. I've been on forever, man. I don't even know if I can TA anymore. Just keeping the stream up. Shiv, you're a troll, dude. I feel like you're a troll. If the power goes out, Bitcoin's destroyed. What? You're a troll, bud. It's alright, I've done some trolling in my day. I'm just trying to stay awake at this point. We're on hour 8-ish. Dreaming. Make sure you guys are in Discord. Discord link in the chat. I did tell you guys, I don't have any more information. Someone said something, I wasn't able to see what it was. And it just said like Google team has done something. Never seen that happen before. Never seen that message, so. I don't know what they said, but I banned the person. Sorry person, I don't know what you said or what you didn't say, but. If the Google team didn't like your message, then you ain't allowed here. If lights go out hard. Dude, Shiv, yeah, I don't think you know what you're talking about, man. If the power goes out in the entire world forever for everyone at the same time, yeah, sure, maybe, I guess. I don't know. This seems like an irrelevant argument. It seems like you're trolling or you're fudding. That's what it sounds like to me, my friend. Jake the Snake, what happened to free speech? Free speech, buddy. Free speech is a protection against the government. Free speech doesn't exist outside of that protection from the government. By the way, just letting you know, this is my degree. Went to school for it. Political science. It's not, that in no way implies you can say whatever you want all the time. In every scenario. Bitcoin actually has 8 nodes on satellites. True story. 8, not just 1. Yeah. There's 8 satellites with Bitcoin nodes. That's the last number I heard. Any opinion on breaking 7.2? Well, I didn't think we would. I thought we'd find resistance there. We didn't find any resistance there. Maybe we'll test it as support. I don't know. Yep, Sergio, my brother, my poli-sci. We have equally useless majors, my man. Me and you, we spent a bunch of money, and hopefully you partied. I partied a lot. And our degrees are meaningless. But it is amazing, true. Yes, this is amazing. How little the First Amendment is understood. Tis a protection. I'm all about people being able to say whatever they want to say. I am. But it has nothing to do with the First Amendment. Just a protection against the government. There are so many specific things it says that you're not allowed to say that aren't free. Not free speech. Not allowed to yell fire at a movie theater. There's a lot of things. First Amendment says the government is not supposed to censor your speech. I don't want to get into it though. I'm getting a little delirious. Check link. Can we say poop? Poop is okay, yes. Bodily function. I am beat, guys. We're coming up on 8 hours of marathon streaming action. Make sure you're in Discord. Make sure you've liked and subscribed if you're new here, especially. We've gotten like, I don't know, 100 plus subscribers today, putting us at 14.4 thousand. Just crazy. Help us get to 15. Jump in. Get in early. Get on the Tom Crown train early. In OG. Pre 15K OG status. And make sure you're in Discord. A lot of the time you can't find our streams. Unfortunately, we get bato shanned, as we call it. Not right now, which is great. We're showing up. But a lot of the time we won't show up on your homepage, even if you are subscribed. We won't show up in search. We won't show up in suggested videos. So there'll literally be no way to find us. Except if you have the direct link. So make sure you're in the Discord. Orange Sunshine, dude, it's good to have you, brother. I wasn't arguing with you. I'm happy you're here. Kareem Ahmed, welcome, brother. Welcome to the fam. But yeah, you won't be able to find us, and the only way is if you have a direct link. The only way to get that is to be in the Discord. We go live every day. Every single day, we're live. If you want to keep up with them, typically they're full of much more information than today. Today, we're just on hour 8 of me being live, and I'm just like basically trying to stay awake. I'm usually more entertaining also, promise. Promise. Usually much more informational. Chantawi Hubbard, thank you, brother. Well, thanks for being here for a long time, man. Appreciate you. All right, Entrepreneur International. You said that twice, dude. Okay, I don't care. We're moving on from that. Please move on from that. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We have 11 minutes into this 4 hour. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm digging, dude, the views and the subscriptions and the people in Discord, the growth today. I'm pushing myself to stay on because it's a day of growth. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you respecting my request. I'm just slightly bigger on this one. Slightly bigger. We already had the highest monthly market cap close ever for Bitcoin. So as far as I'm concerned, we've already had the highest close. That was October. The more you zoom out, the better it looks. You zoom out to the monthly, it looks amazing. You zoom to the weekly, it looks great. And then there's some 12-hour probably looks the most bearish. 12 hours is probably the most bearish time frame that we see. 4-hour could be. But 12 hours the most. If you want some confirmation bias, if you are bearish right now and you want some confirmation bias, go to the 12-hour. Check it out. 12 hours. That'll confirm your bias. You'll be good. Let them short coin stand. If they want to short, they can be short. You can wait for lower. Good for them. Good on them. I hope it works out for them. I hope it works. I need to eat at some point. Probably. Guys. The amount of TA we do on this channel is huge. Daily, huge. Go look at the channel history. Go look at the daily Bitcoin episodes playlist. We rack it out. We're a TA machine. We're a TA machine. We're a TA factory. Not even just TA. It's like cutting edge TA. Every day. This is the second stream today. This has been 90 minutes. It's been an hour and a half. We haven't done much TA because the only reason we started a second stream is the original stream today crashed, and then we picked this one up right back up quick. It was 6 hours. This is like a crazy amount of time we've been streaming today. I'm beat. I'm just like hanging out, kind of waiting for 18K to break or not, or reject. I haven't seen any rejection. This doesn't appear to be a top. Look at the channel. The TA is all we do. All right, I apologize for everyone who's subbed today, hoping that there'd be something. But like, guys, I'm a human. I woke up. I wasn't ready. Was not ready. Was not even awake. Jumped out of bed, hopped on the stream, started doing whatever I could. But I'm a human, guys. I can't just keep going. Can't just keep going with the deep insights constantly. I could do it every day, but I have a limit. I have a limit to how much energy I have in a day. So that's why we're not really doing much right now. But no worries. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're in the Discord and catch us daily, dudes. We do probably, I don't know, the most crypto TA quantity wise, I would say. So quantity wise, maybe I'd say in a day, because it doesn't even include the patron stuff, the Discord stuff. I don't know, but I'm beat. I'm trying to stick with it for you guys, just so we have a place to hang out, chill. Oh man, it's on my eye. Share our excitement with his rally, but like, beat. Oh man. Not only am I beat, there's absolutely something in my eye bothering me. God. Johnson. Massetti, what's up, brother? Thanks for following. It's good to have you. Kampur. Sorry I missed you. Welcome, brother. It's good to have all these new fam members joining us in this exciting day. Where are my eye drops? I have no idea where they went. Minky Flicker, I love you, buddy. Thank you so much. Greetings, Vienna. What's up, Chris S? Oh my, what is in my... I got some of my juice from my little guy on my finger into my eye. Not a fun experience. Where we're going, we don't need eyes, buddy. Tell you what, where we're going, we will need sunglasses. Everybody needs to get a pair. From my little guy. All right, if that's what I said that was a poor choice of words. From the I don't like to say the word on stream because YouTube's not a fan of any tobacco or tobacco related devices. Oh, my eye. That burns. Yeah, dude, it's like, I don't even know. I don't even know how many hours. I think 8.5 is right. Maybe it's 7.5. Really, what's it matter? And through the first, I don't know, like 5 hours, 6 hours, I was going hard on topics, TA, different things. Kind of burnt out on the energy here. I'm just hoping to get just trying to stay up, keep the stream up so we have somewhere to watch it together. Just see it break out, hopefully again. And also, I know there's a lot of new people jumping into the space on these moves. You can see it in the analytics, and hopefully they find their way here. They won't get a great representation of what this channel typically offers right now, but at least they'll find us for the first time and join us. Put the Discord link. It's also pinned in the chat on the top, but I'll put the link in the chat one more time. Whatever is bothering my eye right now might be what knocks me out here. Takes me out for the day. Brian A, that's rude. Why would you say that? What's up, Thailand? I'm guessing you're from Thailand, my friend. Shout out to all the Thailand friends and fam out there. Oh, Brian A, dude. I shout at everybody, man. You don't have to say something mean to me to get a shout out, buddy. I'm happy you're here. Happy everybody's here. I'm happy I'm here. I've held out. I've held out. I'm aiming for 8 hours, but I'm fading. I'm fading fast. I haven't eaten. I haven't eaten today at all. Literally, I've done nothing except I jumped out of bed again. This is the second day in a row that I've been woken by a cascade of alerts that have forced me to jump out of bed and slap on the stream emergency style. This is 2 days in a row. Typically, we don't do this. Typically, we don't. I always have a thing eye drops here. Used them last night, literally, while I was sitting here. Gone. You tap out first, Bitcoin. You tap out first. You tap out, then I'll tap out. You go to the moon, I'll go to bed. Oh, I enjoy Norman Ives. I enjoy it, man. I love it. This is my favorite. I wish I had energy right now to enjoy it. Make sure you guys are in the Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord. Make sure you're subscribed. We're live every day. We'll be back tomorrow. And the next day. And the next day. We'll be back. We're still here now. We're not... It's not as if we're leaving. Make sure you are so you can catch our more exciting content than this. I promise. Promise. This is the me trying to stay awake 8 hours into streaming content. Not the best. Not the best. Make sure you're in Discord so you can catch our other episodes. Also, check out the Patreon if you're new. Especially if you're new to crypto, looking for some kind of guidance in the space in your journey. That's John W. Those are wise words, man. A better Tom makes for a better stream. That is true. Botswana. What's up, Botswana? In Deeps to Fire. Welcome, bro. Bro or sis, I'm not sure. But welcome either way. You don't have eyelids, like. Pretty sure I do. I have one of those airplane neck pillows. And I'm gonna use it as soon as I get out of here. Dino Mike, my brother. What's up, Dino Mike? I'm a sleepy whatever I am. Now there is very bright. See, that's what people don't get, man. There's a bunch of extremely bright lights in this room when I stream. That's why these are such a blessing. Such a blessing. You know what? I need to change them up. There we go. Now we got the Dr. Disrespect shades. These are actually much better on my eyes. I don't think they look as cool though. They're not as good looking, but they work better. They're sportier spice. Yeah, I could see myself fishing in these. Officer Crown. I look faster. Tim Apple, funny story. I feel faster in these. I feel much faster. I feel like I can run. Maybe even gave me a little energy. These are definitely easier to see through, actually. But what happens is I use these, and these are blue, but you can't tell. These are blue. So I have a blue chroma. It's like the same thing as a green screen. I have a blue filtered green screen so that they are see-through because I think it looks cool. The problem is I have blue eyes, very blue eyes. So with that blue green screen on, if I take these off, I just have holes in my head. My eyes are just demon holes. Because the blue in my eyes gets picked up by the chroma and it removes it. Norman. Yeah, dude, Mitch Ray, dude, I have mad respect for that guy's streaming endurance. We've been on about 8 today. I'm going for the 8. Going for 8 today. But he was getting wrecked because he had been streaming for so long. I mean, just like tired. Dude, streaming is exhausting. If you've never done it, before I did it, I didn't know. But if you've never done it, you know, it's weird. It's weird how exhausting it is. It exhausts you in a strange way. Yes, I'm from Sealandia. Iggy's. I never know how to say your name, brother. Iggy's one. I don't use redness drops, actually. I only use non-preservative eye drops. That's just the background. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna lie. To be honest, like, I will actually do this. I will back Mitch up there. I will back him up on that. We're about almost 8 hours deep. Literally, like, drinking would actually perk me back up. I will totally agree with that. Not only is it like the inhibitions down, which would like help with the tiredness, but like, no, I totally agree. If I had like a tall, give me a dirty martini, sip that baby. That would get me back up. It would work. That's a sidebar. Yeah, I should get that thing. Yep, preservative. I have to use a Miggy's. I have a very specialized my brand. Paulo Costa, what's up, brother? Siegel Davis, hello. Sakes and 1DS19CH031, what's up, my man? What is up? I'm turning some of these lights off. I need to AT's. Oh. Thank you, 3 red ducks. I love you, brother. Thanks for being here. It's not a sprint. I'm always saying that. I'm the one that always says that. So I should be respecting that. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. I'm doing some sprinting today. Maybe I should not be doing so much sprinting. Should be respecting my own advice. But it's like we're right here again. Maybe we get another daily high. Like, come on. I'm an addict of the charts. I'm a chart addict. I can't stop. Can't stop my chart addiction. Somebody call the doctor. Mitch Murder on the mic. Mitch Murder. Guy makes like EDM 80s sound of music, and I like it. Mitch Murder on SoundCloud. Check him out. Or not, don't care. At this point, I'm just rambling. Ow. I need to get eye drops before I explode. But we're doing so good, man. Our SEO is killing it. We're up on Bitcoin Live. We're up on BTC. Still not showing up for Bitcoin though, are we? It's okay. Not a big deal. $200 likes, dude. We had almost 500 likes on the first video. It was nuts. I'm still ready. I'm still trying, buddy. I'm still trying to keep going. I dream of candles. I dream of candles. I am a full-fledged chart addict. I'm addicted to the charts. Don't drink and trade. I can totally tell you that from experience. Though, yeah, no, don't drink and trade. Don't do it. Your mind is your edge in trading. The last thing you want to do is impair it. Don't want to impair it. And that includes not sleeping. Like me, right now, I should not be trading. I shouldn't be making active trades. I'm not. Shouldn't be. Because my brain is like half asleep. Yeah, dude, 3 dislikes. It doesn't matter. Literally YouTube, I know a ton about how YouTube functions behind the scenes. YouTube doesn't even differentiate, like, there's no statistic of dislikes. It doesn't measure dislikes. It just measures how many times or what percentage of people hit the buttons. Whether you hit thumbs up or thumbs down, it doesn't care. It pays attention to how many or what percentage of people that view your stream or view your video hit like or dislike. It's all engagement. Don't matter. Sure, you know, I guess I don't actively want dislikes, but if someone's goal is to hurt the stream, disliking it only helps. The best way, if you want to hurt a stream, is to not engage with it, is to not hit any of the buttons. So, little do they know they're helping us out either way. Their joke's on them. Got him. Got him. Got him. Oh my goodness, guys. Alright, this is like hour number 8. Hour number 8. Yeah, dude, Divorcious is straight on. It's all about engagement. YouTube doesn't differentiate negative from positive engagement because it turns out that it doesn't matter. Turns out that engagement is just engagement. That's all it is. People either engage your video or they don't. Yeah, that's right. It'll make a difference. You can Google it. That's like no knowledge on YouTube. YouTube says it. They like say it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We have a new patron. For some reason, patron did something and messed everything up. And now it no longer alerts, but welcome to our newest patron, Mr. Vlade. You know what? I'm going to play. This is not, it's going to say this is a test pledge. Because, for whatever reason, patron messed something up on their side and now they don't trigger. So I'm going to hit the button. 9,000! That's usually what happens. So Vlade, welcome, brother. It's great to have you. Great to have you. And new patron hype for Vlade, not John. Oh, man. Boys, boys, boys. Oh, boys. Simon Lovick, what's up, brother? Welcome. Boys, I'm fading. I don't know how much longer I'm going to hold in here. Thoughts on a decade time horizon? There's only one direction. decades. There's only one decade candle. It's green. Ringo Dingo, yeah. Not Stotch. RSI though, yeah. 12-hour Stotch. Or 4-hour RSI, yes. I did mention that. That was in the last video. In the earlier stream today. Ooh, Sergio. Ooh. Mr. Sergio. Colombia. Bogota, Colombia. Sounds like it'd be nice weather there right now. It's freezing here. Decade chart's bullish, brah. That's all you gotta know. That's all you gotta know. Decade chart is bullish. That 10-year candle, that's the most important TA. Most important. Alright, I feel like I'm gonna start hallucinating here if I don't stop looking at the screen. Okay. I'm gonna hit all the buttons. There's all the buttons. Read the buttons. Reads them. We're live every day. Typically, we don't stream 8 hours in a day. We're past 8 hours now. Typically a lot more interesting, a lot more information. Less of me complaining about being tired. More information on the daily here, so make sure you're subscribed. Catch our daily episodes. Get in Discord. Get in Discord. Get in there. Keep up with our community. Keep up with the streams. Check out Patreon. Still time this month to sign up. That's all the shills. I need to go eat. So I'm gonna let the stream go for a little bit. I'm gonna shut her down. I love you guys. Today's an awesome day. Hopefully there's more spice ahead. There very likely could be. We see no rejection yet. 17,880. There's no rejection here. Barely retraced to the 386 whatever. Like the shallowest retrace. So more spice is coming. I love you guys.